Welcome to our exclusive coverage of 53rd Annual Model Train Show, held on August 2nd and 3rd, 2025 at the prestigious Melbourne Showgrounds. Adding a touch of nostalgia, Steamrail Victoria operated their iconic Red Rattler train shuttles running directly from Flinders Street to the showgrounds. For many visitors, the journey itself becomes part of the experience, an authentic ride into railway history. This model train show is Victoria's premier model railway exhibition, a celebration of miniature rail artistry, engineering precision, and railway heritage. This year's show, featuring more than 55 expertly crafted layouts from across Australia and abroad. We explore Paul's 3D, specialized in 3D printed rolling stock, authentic Victorian railway locomotives, farm buildings, track side details, and precision engineering gained silos and auger kits. It was very beautiful to see in from this model train show. It was proudly presented by the Australian Model Railway Association. The exhibition showcased the very best of the model railway community. Next, Free N009 Australia presents a Wales and England themed modular railway system built on precise standard from AMRA. This display highlighting international collaboration in model design.
Normally 200 depending on the decoder that's right, and then the sound project. And then you'll need speakers in the train as well.
The AMRA Garden Group transports us to early 1900th century or Central Europe with large-scale locomotives, realistic sound effects, and atmospheric smoke systems, immersing visitors in a bygone era. Magno Rail demonstrates their revolutionary magnetic chain system, animating streets, waterways, and countryside with remarkable realism. With a traveled to Sydney's Carlingford line in the late 1980s and 90s, an HO Scout tribute to this historic railway corridor. This line no longer exists anymore. Chicamo's Canyon captures British Columbia's rugged landscapes, including the sea-to-sky trail and the breathtaking Shannon Falls. Darden offers a historically accurate recreation of the 1862 station on the Bendigo line, complete with scratch-built architecture and its iconic viaduct. Then narrow gauge Welsh charm takes center stage with Slobs, Braster, Relford Gull, evoking the scenic valleys of the United Kingdom. So Instagram depicts the Victoria Harbour line with a dual bay line tracks, bringing the atmosphere of 1980s Australian regional rail to life.
transport or place you couldn't use the wheel track.
Yeah.
That was the one thing it did lack. But other than that, it was fine.
Please note there were so many, actually around 55 or more.
Whereas now the Australian stuff is really...
Two Mile Creek revisits the Gippsland forest of the 1920s and 30s during the golden era of timber rail transport. How beautiful is this scene? Timbers there, blacksmith there. You can also see fire inside that blacksmith work. Beautiful to see this one. Vengeance and Allard Junction takes us to England's far southwest, and expertly, I will say very expert in his crafted, which actually is showing seaside terminus of the Great Western Railway.
You've got two engines. It basically had to pull that one through.
Actually, when I was there, these are very
Especially
tiny.
uncoupling right there.
See there in front.
I can't uncouple at any arbitrary position, only at a few specific ones. Passenger trains do it under the cover of the roof.
Like each car you see, that will be like
I don't know, take you
Yep, okay.
few
I'll take that
millimeter.
strip to the choice car.
Each to their own.
Derby demonstrates Oh God's British
This big thing that's up here,
shunting
right?
with precision and authenticity. And Holmes Road offered a deep dive into depot operation from 1890 through the late 1980s, capturing decades of railway evolutions. The shows also feature, as I mentioned, many of them, like memorable contribution from Billabong Flat,
I'll take him out eventually.
Metro Hobbies, Alan Lee,
Let's call a set of points here, trying to set it that way.
Ascension, and Building in Oiskal. Each a testament of the passion and skill driving Australian model railway scene. I was there over 2 years and I really enjoyed very much. This is one of going back to city. We hope you have enjoyed this journey through the 53rd annual model train show, expertly documented for your viewing pleasure. If you love railway heritage and miniature engineering, remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.